Hey traders, in this video we're going to be looking at the stock market, and I've been noticing some really interesting patterns happening on the Dow Jones and stuff like that. And I'm also going to be talking about silver and gold as well too, and what's been going on right now and what can we expect moving forward, moving into the end of this year. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, over the last 15 years, we've tested 64 different trading courses, and we have put the most powerful systems and trading techniques that we've discovered in this brand new trading course. And for a limited time, I'm giving away free access. So go to johnsfreegift.com. That's johnsfreegift.com, or click on the very first link in the description to get free access to this brand new trading course right now. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into today's video. Before I start guys, I'm running a bit of a special offer right now. For one person only, you can get access to my weekly coaching, access to my #1 trading strategy, which is also weekly coaching as well too, so weekly live coaching. And also every single day I'm posting my trades, posting things on the private Facebook group, and you're talking with all my other private clients as well too to help you. Coaching starts straight away. It ends at the end of next year. Normal price is $10,000, but for the very first person only, you can get it for $2,500. That's for one person only. I'm doing this a bit of a special. So if you're interested in joining the coaching to have all that time, then again, for the very first person only, then it just goes back to the normal price through there. So email me at Howell, HOWELL, trader@gmail.com. And if that's you, then say, yes, I'm in. And then you're going to get access to the 75% off discount. And we're going to start straight away. You get access to the membership area. You're going to get access to the Facebook group and the weekly coaching. And I'm going to get you on the right foot. Not only going to understand the most powerful trading strategy on the planet, but also to understand the mindset techniques on what it really takes to get ahead there. And I'm going to be there every single day helping you get better and better and better, plus sharing with you my trades as well. So let's get straight into it right now. What's happening right now on the Dow Jones? I'll tell you what guys, something really interesting happening right now in the markets. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones right now, okay, and it's really interesting because we are getting ready to really break out quite nicely through here, or quite big through here. We can see on the Dow Jones, right, look at this here, right, there's really no one. We're getting these buyers that are raising their prices, a low, there's another higher low, there's another higher low. But we're getting the buyers, right? The buyers are continuing to sort of just come down through here. So we're in this sort of, was really no one in control. If I go to the S&P 500, look what the S&P 500 is doing. Like, we're rising up, but there's not really any there's not really any volume behind it, is there? Like, we have a low, a higher low, a higher low. Now we're breaking up to all-time new highs. And so the buyers are definitely in control here right now, but notice how it's quite weak, right? We're just getting, look at all these weak bars, and that tends to happen, doesn't it? You can see here, like it just rises up, just slowly rises up, just slowly, right? There's really no real big, big movements. Now, as you know, right, leading into October, November. If you go back to last year, you'll see that sort of June, July, it sort of calmed down a little bit, and then August, September, October, we started to go through here, and then into November, December, we started to pick up a lot of volatility picked up through here. So this was here. So I would definitely say, guys, like, get ready for some volatility either way. I don't know whether it's going to be up or down, but get ready for some really good volatility, because this is October now. We've got 2 months left of this year. I do expect to see a lot of the volume come back in, a lot of the a lot of movement in these markets to really pick it up from there. So that's what I'm looking at through there. And if I go look at things like, if you look at all these other markets, like the transportation average, right, there's really no one in control. Look at this here, right? We have high, lower high, low, equal low, equal low, equal high, equal high. It's like just sideways, right? Really, there's no break up, there's no break down. Is it gonna, when it came down here, is it gonna break down? Is it gonna break up? And so on and so forth. Now, the markets right now definitely do look like they're trying to break up. If I go to the Nasdaq, right, same for the Nasdaq, right? Like, we've got this low, higher low. We had an equal low through here, and now we've got this higher high. It's like, hang on a minute. We had this low, right? We had this high. We had this higher low. We had a lower high. double bottom, then we had a higher high. Like there's no one really in control here, right? It's like no man's land, no one in control. So you know, it's really interesting to see that. It's like, is this going to be a bit of a topping pattern, or is this getting ready to break out to the upside? But get ready, guys, because the break, the break is going to be big. And what I mean by big is that we are going to evacuate, right? We're getting towards the end of this year. The volume's going to pick up, the volatility is going to pick up, and we're going to start to make some big move, either up or down. I don't know. But get ready because the break, because this is get ready because this is going to be huge, or the break's going to be huge. So looking out through there. And if you look at the other indices as well too, guys, so such as the Russell 2000, same sort of thing, right? Nothing going on there. And also the Russell 3000. The Russell 3000 pretty much looks the same as the S&P 500. So you can see what's going on through there, right? Really, really, really interesting stuff. So if I go to my weekly charts here, guys, we're still definitely pushing up higher highs, but we're still like, yeah, we still haven't really had a bit of a backing pattern here. We're just slowly going up through here. So I don't know, guys. What do you think in the chat box below? Like, do you think this is a bit of a topping pattern, or do you think we're likely to break out? Obviously, I don't know. No one knows, but obviously, I'm just trying to get your guys' opinion from that. Looking at now through silver and gold as well too. Silver and gold, very nice move up, and then we had this backing pattern. And then a nice move up, and then we had this backing pattern through here, and then we having a nice, then we expect some sort of nice move up here soon as well too, right? Nice breakout. So I'm expecting soon, if we have a look at this here, right? Nice move up, and then a bit of a sideways movement, and then we had a nice move up, and now we're getting this sideways movement. I'm expecting some sort of nice move up again. That's looking at gold there, and same for the good old. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Why aren't you up there? There we go. All right, and that also same for that's gold, and same for silver as well too, right? Nice move up, bit of a pullback, nice move up. Now we're getting a pullback through here. We're having a bit of we're finding a bit of support where we are right now. So it'll be really interesting to see that whether we do start to pop up from here and start to move up in the metals as well too. Looking at now, if you look at say the UUP, really interesting what's actually going on right now on the UUP, which is the US dollar here. If I bring up my entire chart here and I start to squeeze this up a little bit, right, you can see that if you look at this here, right, look what's happening here on the UUP. You can see how the market's come down. Actually, let me bring up this chart through here, right? If I bring up this chart through here, looking on the short term, the last say 6 months, you can see we had this big move up through here. Let me just delete that. We don't need to worry about that. But look what's happening right now on the US dollar, right? We had a nice move up. Now we've come back down, and now we're having this bit of a weak pullback, right? Weak pullback, and now we're starting. Looks like it's trying to really have a movement on the downside. Looks like we're doing it. Now I do believe long term, guys, they're going to devalue the currency because there's too much debt, and that's obviously going to be bullish for gold and silver. But I definitely do believe the US dollar is going to be started to be devalued overall. So over the next 5 years, a 30 to 50% devalue of the currency would definitely not surprise me whatsoever. Because again, the only way for them to really get out of this debt is to keep the interest rates low, devalue their currency, keep rolling it over, etc., etc., etc. Make sense? So that's what I'm seeing through there, and also looking at things like gold and the gold market and also the silver market as well too, right? So we can see here, nice move up. No one really in control through here. We've got this lower high, sort of a sideways movement. Are we going to start a nice break up and out, or are we going to continue moving up there? If we look at this things like, if we look at oil as well too, oil has been having a bit of a nice rise back to the upside, but really no one in control through here. We had a nice move down, a nice move up. So I still say if we start to break this this sort of 1050 level, this is obviously the USO, then we can see a nice move on the downside from there. Let me go to the SIL, which is the silver stocks. Same sort of thing as the gold stocks as well too. Low, we now made a higher high, so this could be some sort of nice continuation. But overall, long term, looking at these weekly charts, guys, I'm very, very, very bullish long term SIL. And if I go to the GDX, right here, same sort of thing, right? GDX, bit of a pullback through here. Moving averages are nicely pointing up, so I wouldn't be too surprised. Once again, next couple of years we continue what I believe is the start of this bull market. Now, when I say bull market, guys, I mean bull market, all right? It doesn't mean every single day and every single week we're going to go up, we're going to go up, we're going to pull back, we're going to go up, we're going to pull back, okay? Bull market, bull market, bull market, bull market. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. I also want to say, guys, that just make sure you focus. I was talking about this with my private clients today on my Facebook group. I was talking to them about obviously some mindset things, the reason why most traders don't do well, and then I was helping them understand some of the mindset stuff. I was talking about that today. I was also showing them some trade examples. I was also talking about the focus. And one thing I was talking about with my private clients today was that I was saying that we must stay focused, especially right now, because there's a lot, because especially with the individual stocks, there's a lot of the individual stocks are starting to really have some nice moves, and there's a lot of volatility starting to pick up with the individual stocks. And so if you know what you're looking for and you got a good quality system, you can really rock it out with your socks out. You know, if you ask any of my private clients, I believe the trading system I trade is the highest probability trading system on the planet. Actually, no, I know it for a fact because I've been trading for 15 years and I know it is. And so I continue to help them, guide them. And I was saying, listen, now is the time to stay focused because there's a lot of good trades. Like I actually missed one trade this week, and I'm actually in 4 trades right now. And it's just absolutely just crazy, right? It's like, wow, where I've had many months this year where I've only been in like one trade or have had no trades. So volatility is really, really, really picking up right now. And I'm really excited. I'm so excited. This end of this year is going to be absolutely amazing. Not only because I know my setup is amazing, is an amazing trading setup, and most of them are going to generate a profit. But secondly, now combine that with the volatility, it's going to be absolutely incredible. So whatever system you're trading, stay patient. Continue to trade your system. Don't try to be right with the market, which simply means don't try and pick and choose. Have good risk management when you know that to protect your downside as well too, and make sure you keep doing your research, looking for those good quality trades. You can do so well out of these markets. You really, 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 really can. You can do amazing, amazing well out of these markets. All you need to know exactly what to look for in a really good quality setup, and then to be able to continue doing that. With my coaching program, you obviously learn my trading system, but that's only 5% of your success. The rest is me helping you understand the mindset and being consistent every day, being disciplined and not take shit, right? Because that's and not overtrade. That's how you go backwards. And be patient. If there's no trades, you don't take it, and all that sort of stuff, right? And even when you do come across some really good trading setups, don't try and pick and choose because you think you know what's going to happen and all this sort of stuff that goes into the mindset. And that's what my coaching program really is all about. So if you'd like to take that one spot, guys, just email me at howtrader@gmail.com and I'll be happy to give you that one spot for this special offer only. So go to that right now, guys. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now or click on the very first thing in the description because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.